Hi guys, we're at Ashton Court today. That's the mansion house up there, and they got this little pool or pond. There's a fair bit of stuff on the surface, but I thought we could try, well, we might try the hovercraft, but the first thing I want to try is this little fella, because I haven't given that a run in a decent pond or puddle yet, so we'll see what happens. Alright, the other day I modified the controller with an on-off switch on the back. So we've got the light on, and if we put this in the water, that turns it on, hopefully. Not much happening yet, but it takes a while for it to register that it's in the water. Come on. Nothing happening yet. Come on. You're going to tell me you're not charged now, aren't you? And yet you were fully charged. I reckon it's discharged in the bag. Well, nothing happening. Oh, that's disappointing.
You must have food.
Oh, that's no good. Let's go plan B. Hovercraft. Back home now. That's the little charger lead that I'd left on my desk instead of putting it in the bag. So that is charging it up now. I've got a nice power bank in the car now, a much bigger one that I had intended to use. But as I'd left that on the table, we couldn't do anything about it. Very frustrating. Charging light went out. Let's just dip it in here. There we go. So it was a flat battery. Very frustrating. I have to put it back in the car and try it again. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.